Welcome to Craft today, and here we're going to create Michael Schumacher in Infinite Craft. First up, combine water elements together to create a lake, then mix fire and water to get steam, which mixed with fire creates an engine. Then we're going to combine earth and water to get plant, which mixed with lake creates lily. Combine engine and plant as well to get car, which mixed with lily creates chariot. Then we're going to mix car with engine to create race car, which mixed with chariot gets us Formula 1. And then we're going to combine wind and earth to create dust, which mixed with lily gets us angel. And for the final step, mix Formula 1 and angel to create Michael Schumacher. That's how you get Michael Schumacher in Infinite Craft. Hope you like this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe to the channel for more Infinite Craft videos.